Hey, hi, hello internet. My name is Nyaneshwar and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your screen record, your voiceover and your front camera record if you have just fresh installation of your OBS Studio and like me if you are intending to do and screen record and want to show your face there in the video, so this video is for you. So it's really very simple. I installed the OBS Studio and it just took 5 minutes for me to set up these things, and I was able to uh, record my screen and I was ready to do the stuff that I want to do. Okay, so when you launch an OBS Studio application, this is the layout that you see. This is the default layout. On the top, you have the section where basically it tells that this is the part that will be shown in your output video, and on the bottom you have the couple of sections which are basically the widgets, basically the functionalities of your OBS Studio. The first one, the controls from where you can start and stop the recordings. Then you have the audio mixer, which tells that what is the intensity of the audio. If you have the multiple sources of audio, that you can decide here. As you can see, I'm currently only recording the audio that I want from my auxiliary mic, and the desktop audio and the audio input capture that I put to zero intensity. So I don't want any audio which is being generated by any application. Let's say if I have an Windows media player which is generating some audio, I don't want to capture that. But if you have a requirement, so it is good to know that you can do that stuff from here. Okay, and then you have the scenes and the sources. So you add the sources to the your scenes, and your scene contain the sources. So there are couple of options available in the OBS Studio that you can add as sources. As you can see, there are two current here, screen and the audio input. That's why you are able to see my screen and the audio that I'm speaking. If I click on the plus icon, you can see the variety of options available. You can add your browser, whatever stuff you are doing on the browser that will be captured. You have the window capture if you have some application running and you want to just capture that application, the window of that application, it will capture that part only. Then you have like media source if you want to add any animation or the image that you can do through it. So now this is really simple. I just click on the for the screen, I click on the display capture and it provided me the option that how displays that are available to me. If you have the multiple displays, you can select from that list which display you want to choose, and it's really simple. You just add that. Okay, now I will show you how you can add the video from your front camera, and then I want to also add a clip mask to my video. I will show a simple trick for that also. So I will click on the video capture device. Okay, and this is the moment my face will pop up on the screen. Okay, this is the device I have, my laptop's integrated camera, and there are a couple of options that you can play around with if you want to change the resolution, want to change your color space. If you if sometimes if you want to also if it is due to some settings, if it is buffering or you see that it is lagging, so you can, what you can do is you can change uh, your FPS and you can fix that. But in my case, I don't see any lag in the video that I'm saying. It's not lagging anywhere, so I don't need to worry about. I will keep it default and I will just click on the OK. Now here comes my face cam, and now what I need to do is I want to put an clip to it. So there is a simple trick what you can do. You just need to take a screenshot of it, and for that I'm using snipping tools coming with Windows, and I will take the snip of my photo here, which is my video cam. I will copy it, and now I want to go to my PowerPoint. So this is basically just for to show you how you can generate and clip, and for the clip what you need, you just need one circle, you need a circle, and you need a black background. It can be any color, it doesn't matter, but what you need to uh, maintain here is the what part of your video you want to put inside your circle. So for that stuff we are doing this step. So I will paste my screenshot. I will scale it diagonally. Then I will go to the insert in the shapes. I will take my circle shape, draw a circle here, and I want to show this part of my video. Uh, Let me minimize a little bit, little more. Okay, like this. Yeah, this looks fine now. And okay, so this means that my circle will be covering this part of my video. Now I don't need this image, so I can click on it and delete, and I will fill this. I don't need outline, no outline. I will fill this with the black, and I will make this format background with a black. Sorry, I want to make this black and make this circle feel white. Okay, that's it. So I just did the inversion of it. It can be any color, it doesn't matter, because OBS Studio have the options to choose that which color you want to mask and which one you to show. So I will just export it as image, more option, go to a desktop, and I will choose the image format PNG over here, and I will name it circle mask and click on save. Yes, just this one, and I'm done. Now coming back to my OBS Studio, I have my video here, and I will click on the video. I will go to the filters, and I will click on effect. Oops, did I click? No, I think I need to click on my, yeah. I have the two types of filters, audio and video filter. Then I have the effect filter. I will click on the audio and video filter, and I will go to my uh, okay, I think this was the wrong one. I have to go to effect filter, not the audio video filter. It is more for the audio and maybe a video. Maybe I want to brighten this or something like that. So I will go to the effect filter and click on the image mask blend. We'll click on OK, and we'll choose the image that I want to put. It was on my desktop. It was a circle mask, open, and you can see it has applied the mask. And I will just simply close it, and now I can see that I'm able to see my face, the output of my camera into here, and which is in the clipped manner. So I can drag it, drop it anywhere I want, and can scale it up like this, and this will show you that how you can position it anywhere. Okay, so I think we are good with this. This was a very simple one, and you can record anything you want now on your screen. So generally we prefer that we not capture the entire screen, but instead of this we add an window here, like the window capture the application that I want to open. I will click on OK. Just for the example, you can see that currently I have two applications open here, which is the PowerPoint and the videos. So which one I want to record, which window I want to record, that I can do from here. So I'll click on the cancel. There is one more thing that you need to, it's really simple one, but sometimes if you are beginner and you just had like seeing this UI first time, you sometimes it may get confused that why you're not seeing your face cam. So let me show you that. Let me delete this. So there is an order related to the sources. If I put an video capture just after my screens, then you can see I'm not able to see my camera here because my video capture is after my screen. So this you need to keep in mind that this there is a order for the sources, and you want to decide like which we want to put, because in the complex scenarios you can have the multiple video coming in, you can have multiple screens also, and you need to decide that which one you want to put in what order. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I think hope this may help you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.